Okay, start filming. So this is a good example. As you can see, I started to pour a little oil and I said this would make a good example for filming. This is exactly why you just don't switch out a unit. And if you see how nice and black this is, beautiful. Oh yeah, chocolate shake. Well, we weren't starving for oil, so that wasn't the problem. Okay, so this one, take a look at, it's probably a little low. I got it, that's 1 liter. So I think that's 32 ounces. We're a little low, that's not too bad. But look right here, zoom in right there. 1.24 liters of oil. Oh, we're not too bad because that's a 1 liter container. 42 ounces or 1.24 liters. We're a little low. We're 1/5 of the oil is still in the evaporator. Well, there's still more inside this unit. I can't get it all out unless I put a drill hole in the very bottom to go after every last drop. But yeah, I will cut open this scroll to show you later on. Yeah, all the oil's here. I'm not worried about it starving for oil. But you would not reuse that refrigerant. You would not. So now I'm gonna take apart the what the hell's the name of that? The filter dryer. So I'm gonna blow back through the filter dryer. I don't think any went through, but we'll come back to this one. All right, that's it for it. My back is aching. That's it. See ya.